Hello, little minis. How are you all today? Yay, good. Guess what? We get to paint. Yes, I know you're all so excited. Okay, so because we're going to be painting, can you please put on some clothes that are okay to get dirty or put on a smock? And then we definitely want to make sure that we have a spot that is okay, that the painting spot that is okay to get dirty because this might be a little splattery. You are welcome, big people. Okay, so first, after you get all that done, I need for you to please get yourself a paintbrush and, yes, and if you have some painter's tape or masking tape, that would be super important. This craft is going to be a craft that you can either use a picture of yourself or draw a picture, okay? So this is kind of up to big people. Do you want to take a picture or use a picture that you've already got of your child? Or they can just draw a picture of a person. Okay? Totally up to you. It's in the directions. You guys go ahead and get that started. Okay. Oh, man, I forgot to do this with the bigger kids too. Do you want to know what you're making? I thought you might. Okay. It's a stormy rain cloud. And if you look super close, you can see why I said you can either draw a picture or you can use a picture of yourself. Okay. So it's in the directions how to do the picture part, okay? We're going to draw a picture today. So I have markers. I'm going to go ahead and start drawing a picture. There's an umbrella on my paper. I want to draw a person so that they're under the umbrella and maybe try to have the person look like they're maybe holding that umbrella. So I'm going to make a head under the umbrella, and then I'm going to make the body down here, and I'm going to put an arm like that and an arm like that because why not, right? And then I'll put some legs and some shoesies, and there we go. Oh, you know what? I'm going to do it almost like this. Okay. Some hair, but I'm going to color that hair in, don't worry. Okay. Oh, you know what? Let's give her a little face because I made a girl. Yours can be a girl or a boy. It's your picture. It's up to you. Let's see. What color do I want to color her dress in? I'm going to choose pink because pink seems nice and bright. All right. So I'm just going to color in her dress. Now, if your guys' picture can be whatever you want. So if you don't want to draw a little girl like Miss Penny did, you don't have to. You can draw whatever you want. You can draw a dog if you want. It doesn't have to be a person. Okay? I'm going to have her shoes match her dress because I like matchy-matchy. All right. So I've kind of got my little girl in there. I'm going to give her brown hair because why not? All right, some brown hair. Dangling down. There we go. There we go. Okay. And some little, yeah, I'll even give her some bangs. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. My person is complete. Now I want to color in the umbrella. You can use, again, any colors that you want. Guess what I'm going to use? I'm going to use colors of the rainbow. So I'm going to start with red. And I'm going to color in a little. This marker's not working not looking so good. All right, I'm going to do some red. Red, 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 red. And again, you guys can color it however you want. What comes next, guys? Do you know the saying Roy G. Biv? So orange. I'm going to put some orange after that red. There we go. A little bit of orange. There we go. And then what comes after the orange? Who knows? Yeah. Oh, you guys are so smart. Yellow. Ooh, man. I wasn't sure if you guys were going to get that, but you did. Yellow, red, orange, yellow. All right. All right. Well, this could be tricky. What comes after yellow? What? You knew that too? Yes. Green. The colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green. All right. And you, again, get to color your umbrella however you want. You can color it in, you can decorate, you can whatever you want, okay? Green. What's next? Oh, I think I stumped some of you. I don't have a full blue in here, so I'm just going to use this. It's close to blue. It's not totally blue, but it's kind of a blue. So that's what I'm using. It's kind of bluey, right? Yeah. And what's our last one? Violet or purple. Yes, yes. I'm gonna have you guys come over when I need to remember this next time. I made my umbrella that way. You guys make yours however you want, okay? We don't have to be twinsies. All right, once you have your umbrella colored and your person is there, however you're doing your person, now we want to put on the tape that I had you get, okay? So we're gonna take our tape and we're just gonna put it wherever, pretty much wherever you don't want your paint to go. All right, so I'm gonna cover up my girl right where the umbrella is. Yeah, there we go. Covering up my girl. I'm gonna cover up a little bit of the umbrella, but not all of it. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna cover up a little bit more on the ground than I wanted to, but that's okay too. There we go. And I'm gonna keep going because when I put an umbrella on, the rain doesn't get under that part. So I'm gonna make sure all of that is covered up. There we go. Yay. Oh, that piece might be tricky. I'm gonna tear that just a little bit. Whoop. It's not cooperating, guys. It's not cooperating. Got it. All right, so my umbrella's gonna be a little goofy, but that's okay. All right, so that's what I did. I did make sure my person was covered because she is under the umbrella. The rain's gonna protect her. Now it's time to put on the rain. In your kit, you had, because I already changed mine, you had a little container like this with blue paint in it. I want you to take that and add some water and then shake it. Well, put the top back on super tight. Maybe your big person can help you with that. And then shake it really good and it makes it watercolor paint. That's the kind of paint we want. This is where the mess comes in, guys, okay? All right, big people, this is the best part. We're gonna open this water paint up. We're gonna first, before we make our mess, let's put some blue on the bottom of our paper because it's gonna kind of make it like a puddle on the bottom, okay? So I'm gonna put some blue down here. It's almost like a big puddle, you know? It's so rainy out that, well, it's puddling up. All right, so there we go. Puddled it up down there. Now is the fun part. Now you're gonna dip your paintbrush. If you put your hand like right here, so let me see if I can show you, okay. When my paper's on the table, I'm putting my hand like right here. Right in front of it, okay? I'm not touching it. And then when I dip my paintbrush, and then I kind of tap it. Tap, 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 tap. Now let me show you what just happened when I did that. It rained on my paper. Now, if tapping it is hard, I understand it probably could be. You could just take your paintbrush and go like this. Throw, throw. Your raindrops are going to be a lot bigger with the throwing, so it's up to you. I kind of like the little raindrops, so I'm going to keep my tapping going. Tap, 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 tap. This is where the mess comes in. It splatters, so that's why I want you to be careful where you're painting, okay? But I'm going to cover my paper with as much rain as I want, okay? That's what you're going to do. How much rain do you want? Lots or a little? Lots or a little? See, it's kind of like dripping down. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest. All right, I'm done with my rain because I like the way it looks. I'm gonna let it drip, 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 drip. This is special paper too, it's special watercolor paper so it can get wet and not get ruined. How cool is that? All right, I'm gonna do mine now. I want you guys though to wait until it dries, all right? I'm gonna do it now because I'm trying to make this video for you. And if I wait till it dries, we're just gonna sit like this for a while. And then a little bit while longer. No, I'm not gonna do that to you. So I'm gonna do mine before it dries, but I want you to wait till yours is dry. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel my tape off now. Remember, you're gonna wait till yours is dry. I'm just doing it so I can show you. I'm gonna be really careful because I don't wanna rip my paper, but I do wanna take this tape off. When the tape comes off, you'll see your person is completely dry. How cool. All right, you guys, you have fun splattering your paint. And, ooh, I didn't say this to the big kids, so I hope they remember. I'm going to say it to you guys, though. When you're finished, please help clean up, okay? Because there's going to be a lot of paint splatters to clean up. There might be some on you. There might be some all over. So help clean up when you're all done. And maybe, just maybe, you could send me a picture of your craft. Bye, everybody.